Today, we will show you how to communicate effectively, overcome communication barriers, and how Samelane can help you with these. Communication is an exchange. It's a two-way passage of transmitting and receiving messages. Simple as it may seem, sharing a message surprisingly often generates communication issues. The aim of communication comes down to composing and forwarding a message that is understandable to the receiver. Strong communication skills open many doors in business and lead to better management and efficient operation. Fortunately, it is possible to refine your interpersonal skills and remove communication obstacles. In this video, we will focus on 4 types of communication: verbal, non-verbal, visual, and written. Verbal communication is fast and efficient. However, spoken words are fleeting and can be misunderstood. Non-verbal communication is displayed through facial expressions, gestures, and body language. The information is passed unintentionally, however, it's possible to train and control your body language to a large extent. Incorporating images in the information exchange process can make it clearer, more concise, and easier to understand. We tend to communicate in writing when dealing with more formal matters and when we want to ensure that no detail will skip the reader's attention. Surely, it's less time efficient than oral communication, but more secure. Let us take a closer look at the possible barriers you may face while interacting with your co-workers. It's crucial to learn how to identify and address the obstructions, or you may end up with misunderstandings or communication failures. Some people share information in an expressive and pretty direct way, while others are very formal and specific. The key to understanding is using emphatic listening to connect with a colleague. Communication is a two-way passage, so instead of running a monologue, try to listen actively and read the nonverbal signals from your listeners. Dealing with information overload causes frustration. It is hard to comprehend data in huge amounts, so try to dose information thoughtfully. We deal with more physical obstacles when our contact is limited to conference calls, and we don't mean technical issues and background noise only. Thus, create notes summing up your telcos. Emotional barriers distort the message we want to convey or interfere with our communication ability. If that's the case, try practicing your emotional intelligence. When working in a multilingual company, it might be hard to understand somebody's accent. You might not comprehend your native if a person is exceeding industry jargon and abbreviations. For this reason, keep a clear structure of your statements or suggest switching to an email. Communication principles are not universal, but marked by cultures of our origins. Be prepared to come across situations that may seem unexpected but are perfectly normal and etiquette compliant to your interlocutor. Our learning management system offers various communication tools that allow you to combine communication types and overcome the barriers. You can prepare presentations and webinars that include audio, verbal communication, video, nonverbal communication, images, visual communication, and text, written communication. You can also make use of effective communication tools, such as news updates and communiques. You see who read your message via reports. Two-way communication is possible thanks to review forms and surveys. To learn more about Samelane and its features, visit our website. Thanks for watching.